Alright, here we have another test fire video of the RB32. Made a few minor changes. Compression tested after running hot, come up 150 psi all cylinders, very happy with that. Never mind the oil leaks, it's because I haven't siliconed the sump on to the block, because this sump is not going with this engine. But anyway, fire it up time. So, hearing protection in. And fire.